YouTube, what's good, y'all? Welcome back to the club. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Techrism, where we talk real tech. Guys, in today's video, we got the Skullcandy Ounce XTs at Techrifics Studio right now. We at Techrifics Studio. Alright, so before we get into the video though, guys, you already know the drill. Like, comment, subscribe, join the club, join the crew. We growing up in here. Without further ado, let's get straight into the Skullcandy Ounce XTs. As you guys can see, this is the box for the Ounce XTs. Comes in all orange, all around, and black at the back. As you guys can see, Skullcandy branding right on the top. This is how the Ounce is supposed to look like. Alright, and their little slogan on the bottom, big sound that's easy to stash. You feel me? So as you guys can see right here, 16 hours of battery life, alright? Which means you have 16 hours of playtime with the Skullcandy Ounce XTs. Comes with a USB Type-C, alright? So you can charge it with any Type-C. There's an IPX7, which means it's waterproof, guys. So you can bring this to the beach. I don't know where else you would bring it to, but you can bring it to the beach, to the, I don't know, to the swimming pool, whatever. It won't get broken, you feel me? And then obviously Bluetooth 5.3. It says right here, you know what I'm saying? It says right here, 5.3 Bluetooth. Alright? So yeah, we're gonna compare with the Kilo because I got the Kilo too, but that's a separate video. Alright? So let me find my knife real quick. Or the scissors are right here. Alright, thanks. You see, Techrific is helping me out. You feel me? So yeah, let's open this up. Alright, like so, boom. And then like so, boom. Oh, hold on, I didn't cut it properly. Okay, I did. All right, there you go. All right, as you guys can see, boom. Come on, Skullcandy, kind of making it complicated. Oh, okay, my bad. I forgot the top two. I gotta cut the top two. Boom. And then boom. And then it should just slide out. Alright, let's try this. Boom. There you go. YouTube. So obviously you got the skull on the box in black. They're really going with the black and orange theme. You know what I'm saying? Let's open it up like so. Wow, I cannot open the box. That's crazy. I'm struggling. Okay, there you go. Boom. And boom. Alright. This is how it looks like. You know, same theme like the, you know, I reviewed the Skullcandy Terrain XTs and the XLs. It's kind of the same theme going on right here. So as you guys can see, the ounces right in the middle. Alright, so we're going to take it out. Boom. You know what I'm saying? Take this out. Boom. Look at that. This is how it looks like. Got the plus, the minus, and the pause in the middle. I believe this is the pause in the middle. Alright, like so. Got blabber on the back, USB Type-C, like so. This is how the ounces look like. Alright, so we're just gonna put it to the side. Alright, so what else is in the box? This can come off, nothing on the bottom. Alright, and then over here, I believe is the charging supplies. Alright, there you go. So yeah, it's probably the charger, like so. Okay, you got a little Skullcandy manual going on over here. Alright. Start guide, quick guide. These stickers. Skullcandy stickers, you know what I'm saying? Put some Skullcandy stickers if you want. Spanish. And then English. Quick start guide, you know what I'm saying? So let's just put that to the side right there. And then USB Type-C to USB charging right here. I don't know if y'all can see that. If it wants to focus, boom. Alright, so yeah, that's what comes in this little box and pouch. And yeah, that's about it. So we can just throw that to the side. And this is what you guys want to see. You know what I'm saying? The Ounce XTs right here, okay? Apparently this has crystal clear sound. So high quality sound experience, but we're gonna have to test that obviously at Techrism. You feel me? So now I gotta play some music, but I'm using my phone to record. So Techriffic's gonna help me. You know what I'm saying? Play some music. All right, so we got Techriffic's phone right here. Okay, so we're gonna turn it on in the middle, I believe. There you go. Okay, there's no voice, so it doesn't say anything. Let's see if it picks it up. It's gonna take a little bit of time, I guess. Okay, there you go. It says Skullcandy Ounce right there. So you just click on it, and then it should tell you that it's going to pair.
Connected.
There you go, connected. Alright, so we got some no copyrighted music off of YouTube, you feel me? So this is how it sounds at the very bottom, right? Alright. And this is like halfway. So it's pretty loud. We're in a room right now. We're in the studio, and it's pretty loud, right? Let me do it all the way, if it's okay. Yeah. This is like maximum. And then this is like halfway. I don't know if y'all can like hear the difference. But yeah, that's basically how it sounds like. So you guys heard from the very bottom to the middle and then to the very maximum, alright? So that's how the Ounces XTs sound like, right? So another thing about these speakers, you feel me, is that, of course, they got a little strap. It's kind of like nylon strap material. So you can like put this on your, if you have a backpack or something, you want to just put these speakers on, you could just do that real quick. Or even I've seen a guy on you know what I'm saying, like on the internet, where he put this on his pants, where you can like put your belt or whatever. You could do that, and then you could put on this too. Shout out to Techrific, you know what I'm saying. And then this is how it goes, it's not going nowhere. Like I'm moving it like crazy. It's not going nowhere. You feel me? So this is certified. You feel me? All right. You can put this on your bag. You can put this wherever, on your keychain, wherever. All right. You can put it wherever you want to. Okay. Again, IPX7 waterproof. So a little rain, a little, splash ain't gonna break these speakers. You feel me? And you can actually submerge it underwater, under 1 meter underwater for up to 30 minutes, guys. So this thing is not gonna get destroyed. And you know what I'm saying? We got a little bit of water. You feel me? We got a little bit of water. You know what I'm saying? So, boom. You see, Techrific put some water on it. You see? Now it's wet. You feel me? The table's wet. I'm wet. You know what I'm saying? And look, listen to this. And it's still working. It's still working. You know what I'm saying? It's still working. Doesn't even affect anything. Alright? So yeah, that's a little... Hold on, we gotta clean the table real quick. Alright, you see? So yeah, it's waterproof. It didn't affect the sound in no way whatsoever. So yeah, you guys know that this is certified. So would I recommend this to you guys? If you're looking for small speakers in the market, yeah, of course I would. Price on these, I believe, on Amazon right now is $43.77, right? That's the price of these. So they're not that expensive. They're not like the most expensive speakers out there. But, it's pretty good for the price that you're getting. You know what I'm saying? I got these from Walmart. I think they were the same price or roughly around the same price. So yeah, that's the Ounces. Guys, if you guys like videos like these, you know what I'm saying? You already know the drill. Like, comment, subscribe, join the club, join the crew. At the time of this recording, we're at like 3K. Guys, we're at 3K. Each and one of you guys has contributed to the crew and means something to me. A tech realism, you feel me? So alright, YouTube, that's the video. We out. Peace.